Welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Jordan. Nothing on this video is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence because I am not a financial advisor. On this video, we're going to cover Hyperliquid and Aster and a few other hot coins which are showing life or signs of life in the altcoin market. You see, Hyperliquid has come down here and is showing support around this area on its dip. So could this be the low here for Hyperliquid, or is it gonna, about to go much lower? And the same thing here with Aster. These are both the two trending Perps dexes, so decentralized perpetuals or futures trading chains to keep your eye on here in the market. In terms of Bitcoin, we have that going up right now, and that is why we're seeing the altcoins have a little bit of a bounce today. Now, we don't know how long this is going to go on for. Okay, but if the rally continues and the trend continues, we need to see which coins we need to be watching. So if we go to Optimise, we can see that indeed leading the way today is Hyperliquid in DeFi or decentralized finance in the top chains. So all chains in the last 24 hours, guys, by total revenue generated or fees generated. So $4.8 million is how much Hyperliquid is actually making in a single day. This is in 24 hours. So this protocol is generating real revenue and real fees. So it's, the chain is valuable. It has this amount of real value generated on it every single day. Now, how does it create this? This is from trading fees on the chain for people trading on Hyperliquid using perpetual futures trading like longs and shorts and using leverage. The same with EdgeX. It's a Perps chain. And down here we have the BNB chain, which is like 5th or 6th down here. There we go. It's in sixth place, and of course that is predominantly the revenue coming from Hyperliquids. And then we have Ethereum and Solana and Tron in the middle and in between. Now, before we jump more into that, if you do actually want to trade futures, you could also check out Coin Futures. So this is a crypto futures trading platform. The good thing about this one, it's no KYC. So if you love privacy, you can check this one out, and this one does enable you 1000x leverage, guys. So if you're really feeling in the mood for trading, and if you're feeling degenerate, and if you want to make money from this market, you can cash out anytime. You have instant onboarding and no KYC. Check out the Coin Futures link down below. Also, if you haven't got a no KYC crypto wallet, then always diversify across multiple wallets and multiple exchanges. And this could be the next one that you add to your cryptocurrency wallet stack. This is Best Wallet, and the link to download this is in the video description below. You can download it on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. The good thing about this one, it is audited here by Certic, the best security in crypto, multi-chain, non-custodial wallet, and they do have their own ecosystem with their new token sale, their Best Wallet token coming out soon, which is a utility ecosystem token. So, it's not just a random, it's not like a meme coin or anything like that. This could be a strong play in the future altcoin market. And they raised $17.5 million so far. And this one, guys, you only have 4 days until they finally until the end of the sale now, all right, which they have confirmed. And then this gives you early access to new projects, which no other crypto wallet does give you. So this does have some perks, benefits, and exclusive features that you can only get here on Best Wallet. Also, remember, you can cash out from Best Wallet into fiat currencies your profits from crypto, guys, using this wallet, and you can even spend your wallet right on their future best card. Links to all of that is in the video description below. So back into this. So furthermore, Hyperliquid is a $10 billion market cap coin right now, and Aster is at 2.24 billion. If we actually go to CoinMarketCap and we do look at the top coins by CoinMarketCap, we can see that Hyperliquid is still holding strong up here, number 12 in the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market cap. And then we have Aster, a close second, somewhere around down here around 35, number 35. And the market cap for Aster is just 2.6 billion. So again, a lot of room for Aster to potentially catch up. But what we are seeing now, again, according to the on-chain DeFi or decentralized finance analytics statistics, is that Hyperliquid is generating far more in revenue and fees. Again, $4.8 million. So people are preferring this. It's probably because it is its own entire whole chain, relying on its own chain for the trading, the activity, and the fee generation, whereas Aster isn't its own chain. It's on Binance, the BNB chain. So they are both Perps dexes. So you can both do futures trading, leverage trading on their, on the different platforms, on Hyperliquid and also on the BNB chain on Aster. However, that is the difference between them both. And also Aster is backed by CZ from Binance, so it does have massive backing. However, the way the chart is performing, it doesn't look as strong, quite frankly, as Hyperliquid. Again, these are both next generation perp dexes for all traders, and they are going to be the future of crypto, guys, actually for sure, because the future is not going to be centralized exchanges. So they are going to, centralized exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, they'll always be there, but they are going to slowly die off in favor of people using decentralized finance, which is fully non-custodial crypto trading. So that's the difference between, these two projects, guys, in terms of their, future. But I don't know why this has such low liquidity, only 36k on chain here, the Aster to USDT trading pair. So that doesn't look too good. But anyway, this is the chart for Aster. Again, it's newer as well. So Aster did launch right on September the 19th, which is only 2 months and 6 days old here, or I think it launched a day or two before that. And then we have Hyperliquid, which is going all the way back now. Hyperliquid is going all the way back to here, which is November the 29th. So, you know, it has a longer track record. That was in 2024, by the way. So November 29th, 2024. So 1 whole year old now, Hyperliquid is. So that is what Hyperliquid has going for it in terms of all of its advantages. It probably has much more liquidity here, and the volume for Hyperliquid is actually insane. $114.9 million just for this USDC trading pair here directly on chain on the Hyperliquid chain. So that's pretty interesting as well. So yeah, the ticker symbol is Hype, HYPE, of course. Ticker symbol for Aster is ASTER. And you could buy Aster on PancakeSwap on the BNB chain. You could trade it against USDT or any of its other trading pairs. And Hype, you can also buy either directly on the native Hyperliquid chain, or of course, you guys, you can also buy both these tokens across multiple exchanges, which they have. And you can see the list of those exchanges of where to buy them. If you click on, for example, Hyperliquid here on CoinMarketCap, then you can go down and simply search, right, guys, for their current active markets, and we can see you can get it on Bybit. Of course, the number one active market is directly buying it on chain on the Hyperliquid Hype blockchain, and then you could also get it on Bybit, OKX, BitGet, Gate.io, KuCoin, Mexi, for example, and all these other ones down here. But yeah, we are seeing that you can monitor trades on chain with both these dexes, Perps dexes, particularly on Hyperliquid. The data is very interesting, and let's see what happens next here in the market as Bitcoin trends up, guys. Again, reclaiming $87,000 as I'm recording this. And it looks like it's about to get to about 88,000. Let's see if it can bounce that bar, and if it continues going back up. If you look on the long-term chart of Bitcoin and you zoom out, it's still in a bull trend and in an uptrend, because though we did look like we had a horrible collapse here going down, you know, from 126k all the way down to 80, which we hit, though that's an awful, terrible collapse, and it really looks terrible on the chart. The fact is we haven't broken the bull market structure of these higher lows here. Look at this, bang, it's another higher low. It's not a lower low until this breaks lower than that level. These are all basically higher and higher lows, but on top of that, you have, right, higher highs still intact, this structure. So you have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. So as long as we have another new higher high here, then the structure would still be unbroken for a Bitcoin bull market. Bitcoin lost the 50-day moving average, but it did not yet lose the 200-day moving average also. So keep an eye on that. And let's see what happens next, as everyone is still in extreme fear today in the market. If you guys love crypto news and altcoin analysis and updates and alpha just like this, then subscribe to the channel and follow us here, because we deliver to you guys this kind of knowledge and opportunities just like a Amazon Prime delivery package right here on this channel, guys, every single day.